Hello, my foxy friends. I'm back again, you guessed it, with another crafty mum hack. This one is more of a mum hack than a craft hack, but it's still a crafty mum hack. I'm going to try and fit this into a minute. Let's do it. So I got really sick of my kids messing up the tablecloths. They're toddlers, they're going to make a mess. Just one day unlocked this core memory I had from when I was a kid, when my family friends had this really, I thought at the time, a really weird tablecloth made out of plastic. But I had a light bulb moment and I was like, I need to do this. So all you need is some Liddell clear plastic from Spotlight. It comes on a roll and you buy it by the meter. And when you put it on the table, well, my table is like a 2-pack, it comes up with this bubbling, which is fine. It still does a job, but I think that looks ugly. So I am going to put this on underneath it. I just found a nice piece of fabric that was cheap and Spotlight were having a sale on it at the time. And I just measured my table and ordered, I think 2 meters of this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it to size and I'm going to put it under the plastic. The great thing about this pattern is I can just find the checker part and just cut straight along there. And what I did with the plastic was I just laid it on the table, then I eyeballed it and cut it because, you know. You're also going to need a pack of these. They're just photo removable strips that you use to stick on the wall. So when you get to the corners, I found that my kids still tried to lift the plastic off. So I used these photo tabs to secure to the table like this. But when you get to the corner, you'll need to fold it like this. And then I secured that part in between the 2 legs underneath with some more tabs. And that's it. Is that not the best hack ever? Less washing, easier cleaning, and versatile. Tell me what you think.